Here is today's Hamster Kombat bonus daily combo for 5 million coins. Make sure you're subscribed to try to get these challenges out to you early so you can get more coin and level up your cards so that you're earning more coin per hour. Because remember, that's going to determine how much airdrop of this Hamster Kombat token you get. And if you haven't started playing yet, I don't think it's too late to start now. If you want to start playing, all you need to do is copy my link, which is in the description down below, and you can start playing for free in this Telegram game. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe.